We're going to dry needle the muscles that are hypertonic, release some tension, and hopefully reduce some of the discomfort she's getting.
Yay, I'm so excited.
Ready?
Yes.
Cool. I usually try to reserve needles for myself as a last-ditch effort. I'm such a baby when it comes to needles.
Yeah, we know. Are you going to do an intro, Dr. Nick, or is it like me?
No, I was thinking we could just do like a super quiet black and white film, you know, kind of like what they did in the Charlie Chaplin days.
Yeah, but you got to start like dancing or something. That's how you show emotion in those movies. Was he dancing?
Not dancing.
Oh, okay. He's not dancing.
How's it going, everybody? Dr. Nick here again at Kalkstein Chiropractic. We're here with our lovely chiropractic assistant, Jayla.
Hi!
Jayla recently took her, let's see, her 6th vacation of the year.
Yes.
And we're in what? We're just in the start of July. So
he's being
for
dramatic.
people who are terrible at math like me, that's averaging about a vacation a month.
That's not true.
It's pretty impressive.
Thank you, I suppose.
Oh, I kid. But anyways, Jayla did recently get back from traveling. She was down in Miami. So like most of us, sitting on the plane.
It was terrible.
Not conducive for feeling good afterwards. So she's getting a lot of pain and discomfort around her TL junction, kind of transitional area where her thoracic spine starts to turn into her lumbar spine. So what we're going to do today is we're going to dry needle the muscles that are hypertonic, release some tension, and hopefully reduce some of the discomfort she's getting.
Yay, I'm so excited.
Ready?
Yes.
Cool.
I haven't got needles in a while, so this should be fun. Oof, that wasn't bad.
When's the last time you think you got dry needling?
I have no... Oh, wait, that wasn't towards the needles. I don't really know. I feel like I got them... Maybe Dr. Kendra did them for me like 2-3 months ago.
Oh, so you're on like once a quarter sort of schedule.
Yeah. I just try not to do them if I like have anything to do throughout the day because I can be a little sore. But the next day usually feels much better.
I usually try to reserve needles for myself as a last-ditch effort. I'm such a baby when it comes to needles.
Yeah, we know. As you're putting some in my bag.
Oh yeah, I'm totally cool, like, with the application of dry needling. Getting it done myself? Nah.
Fair.
Your boy's passing out.
Oh, gosh.
I'm kidding. I haven't went down yet.
Are you a
I
person
haven't gone down yet.
that needs to close your eyes when you get, like,
no,
blood
but
drawn?
I definitely look away.
Okay, yeah, same. I just feel like looking at it is kind of just, like, crazy.
Oh, especially, like, with blood getting drawn, just watching blood come out of you.
It's like, whoa.
Nah, I'm good.
That's not supposed to happen.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm the same way.
All right. You okay with all those?
Yes.
Sweet. You're cooking for 10 minutes.
Fun.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.